Close here. See, I think not this one, right? One. See, we are clear. QCTL. Get notes. Yes. LS. There. L. Uninstall. Install ABC. What is the other things? Dev. What is the other things? My hyphen REL hyphen one and REL hyphen one and REL hyphen W. Now helm ls. Any other? There again helm uninstall. There built-in. SC is name. No, right? That is the built-in. No. Dev hyphen basics BASICS and PROD. There helm ls. Or some more is there. Helm uninstall is the built-in objects. I think what happened? What was the problem? Helm ls. What is the name? I think what is the release name? Is it correct or not? Built-in is the release name. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Builtin. Built-in. Good. Okay, Helm ls. Good. Now you know the older structure. We're moving to today conditions, right? There I am in which drive? Downloads. Yes. Helm master class main. I think already here is there, right? There ls hyphen ltr. You know this. CD Helm master class. Yes. ls hyphen ltr. Which one you want to work with? I think which number ma? Please respond. Number if else right? 18th I hope. CD 18. What happened? 18 hyphen. What was the problem? Why CD PWD? What was the problem? It is not supporting. Oh, CD Helm master class. Yes. Now here CD 18. Good. Now ls. Just enter. There Helm basics, CD Helm basics. Now see 3. Good. Now where I want to enter? Within the values.yml, first I'll enter. You may see vi values.yml. Are you checking? If else, if else, else. If then if else, got it or not? If means only checking either true. If else means true or false both. That environment. Yesterday also I have provided one example. Try to understand. My app. This is the maybe root property assume. My app dot env. If it is fraud, you should do something. If my app dot there, what is that? Retail, right? That dot enable feature true. If it is true, something. If it is false, some other thing. This is the code they written. Based on this, that will implement. What to do? Escape, shift colon X. This is purely customizer now. Those things we need to understand. There VA CD templates. There again tree. Only deployment is there. VI deploy. Now observe here. Within the specification, there with values dot maya there within that they're using if and you know the meaning of if and if are and means very strict or means flexibility. See, you and me wants to go to movie. What does it mean? If you must be there, I must be there. You and are going to somewhere else. What does it mean? Either you may go or I may go. That is the R. R is very flexible and is very rigid. Okay. Strict means and, flexible means R. What is the meaning here? See something retail dot enable true. Now this total thing, what does it mean? I am selecting place based on that you try to respond. Where I am trying to select. This total thing, what it represents, please respond according to our values.yml. Check it and tell me. See, what does it mean? Dot values, dot my app, dot retail, dot enable feature. Finally, colon, what they given ma in our values.yml. If you are not understanding, again, I need to open. Ma, with anyone can try to open values.yml file, please. Maybe everybody having, right?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? I selected something, right? If I selected something, this overall meaning is what? Please respond. You're not understanding, I hope. Or agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Again, I am telling my dot values, dot my app, dot retail, dot enable feature, colon, after colon, what it is there. If you open values.yml file, there it is there. Colon, after colon, something already we written. I have shown you already. True is that. Check it. Have you checked or not? Please respond. In my screen only you have seen. Okay, anyway, I'm going once again. Otherwise, it's very complex to understand. What happened? Well, escape view. Good. See, cd vi values dot vi. Now observe. Ma, dot values. Please observe. Dot values. Dot my app. Dot retail. Dot enable feature. This total meaning is what? Overall final answer.
True.
True. I hope. Anvesh, you got the clarity? Anvesh, are you there?
Sir, I have some network issues, sir.
Okay. At least are you following or not? Please respond.
Your voice is not clear, sir. That's why.
My voice is. What about others? My voice is. For others,
Yeah,
my
it's
voice.
clear, sir.
Clear. Good. Anvesh, try to follow. After that, you may get recording. Try to listen. And if any doubt, try to ask me. Okay. This overall scenario, up to this whatever we written, the final result is what? True. Is it okay for you? If it is true, what is the environment we are giving here? Where we written here? What is the environment here? Dot values, dot maya, dot env. What is the meaning of here? What is the result, ma? Prod.
Prod.
Now observe again. Escape, shift colon, X. Now CD templates. Now VI deploy. Quickly observe. Here equals dot env. What does it mean of dot env? Dot values, dot maya, dot env. What they written there? Prod. Prod is equal to prod true. Already what is the meaning of here? True. True and true. True and true. True and true means everybody
True.
know true and true, true only, right? If it is true, how many replicas it will take? 6.
6.
Till now, everybody understood or not? If you say yes, sir, I may do, I may create template. Shall we go for create manifest file by using template
Yes, sir.
command? Yes. Escape. So, student. Murali Prasad. Okay. Now X. Please observe. CD dot dot. And now quickly help template. Then we go for dot only, right? Yes. Now see what is the replicas here? 6, right? I am asking to you. First, I may open my document. See CD templates. Based on that only respond. VI values dot wire, not value deployment. Now, Monica, you tell me. I want to get 2 replicas. I want to get how many replicas? 2 only. I want to get only 2. If what will I do? If what I may do, based on that, I want to get 2 replicas. You tell me. Maybe first I need to enter into values.yml. There I need to modify something. This is if,
Yes, sir. I need
else
to
if,
change
else
environment
if.
QA.
Environment is QA. Shall we go for trying to change the environment QA?
Yes, sir.
Escape. Shift colon. Escape. Now CD dot dot. Now VI values dot where. See, production requires 6 replicas. QA requires 2 replicas.
2.
Good. Now QA. Is it okay for you? Whether it is true or false, we are not bothering. Got it or not? Only if it
Yes, sir.
is production environment is QA, that means environment is QA, automatically we will get 2 replicas. Shift colon X. And now quickly, one step back, up arrow, up arrow. Now not, I need to enter here only, right? CD, help. Good. Now template. Yes. Now check it. Am I getting 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm asking to Ganesh. Now I'm opening first document, CD templates. Now VI deploy. Now my interest is 4. I want to get 4. I want to get 4. If I want to get 4, what to do? Whatever you want, you tell. Based on that, I'll modify.
Hello?
First, shall I move on to values.yml? Are you
Yes.
understanding, ma? Yes. Shift call X. See how to go? I am in templates only, right? No, one step back, right? Now VI values.yml. Now Ganesh, tell me what to do. Wherever true is there, shall I place false? Yes, false. Okay. Step 1 is clear. Good. Next. Environment must be. Which one? PRO. Ma, is it okay, ma? Yes or no? If
Yes, sir.
if enable feature is true, environment is production 6. If enable feature is false, if environment is only production, how many replicas you may get? 4. Monica, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Escape, shift colon X. Now good. What to do? Now helm template. Now see, are you able to see 4? The final one, ma. I want to get 1 right. I think else condition. Else condition is there. Check it. I want to see 1. First, I need to enter into VI. First, which one shall I open? There, CD templates. Templates. Someone is trying to join, I hope. Who is that? Puna, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Try to follow. If any difficulty, ask me. Now, see, ma. What shall I do? VA, got it? Deployment. And now see, I want to see 1 replica. I want to see 1 replica. What would it? Not QA, not production, even false. Are you understanding or not? Not QA, not production. Even if I go for staging, or else maybe dev also. Shall we go for dev? Development requires one
Yes.
replica. Now guide me. Escape, shift colon X. Based on your guidance, I can apply. Please, one step back, right? Good. VA values. Now what to do? Wherever production is there, I will go with the dev. Is it okay? Even if it is true also, anything change? No use.
No, sir.
Good. Escape, shift colon X. Now correct only. No template. Yes, observe one template. This is the if, else, elif, else condition. Is it clear for you? I think this is very simple, right? If you know the logic, if you know the hierarchy. If condition is true, it will use something. If condition is false, it will use something. Even if else condition, if else condition. Good. Escape, shift colon X. Not here. Now, okay, one step back. Now CD, one more step back. CD 19. 19. Now tap. See, helm dev
Sir,
variables. Please.
in last class we have computed up to 13 only.
13 only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll check. And now, shall I enter into 14? Maybe. Maybe 14 we'll see. No problem. For me, not a problem. This one only, right? And Boolean. Maybe
Yes,
similarity, that one only. Okay, anyway, no problem. Okay, good. No problem. Now, see, ma, there, what to do? I mean, there, dir, no problem. It will work for us. Now, helm basics, cd, helm basics. Now, again, tree. Now, first I can enter into values.file. va values.file. Same thing is there, check it. Is there any difference? I think maybe
no, sir.
numbering difference is there. Have you observed? Escape, shift colon X. You may see what are the modifications. Now VI, CD templates. Now VI, deployment. See, same thing. Is there any thing change? But here you may see a little modification. You may see. I think have you observed? There we maybe in 19 or 18 we use with values. Are observing? What is the advantage of with values? See, assume in my family we are having 5 children. Every time my grandfather name dot my father name dot my name. Try to understand, ma. Again my grandfather dot my father name dot my brother name. Sometimes that is good. Sometimes that is again and again repetition, right? Are you agree with me? Why should you go for again and again? My grandfather name is very obvious, common. My father name is also fixed, right? The only children names are changing. Are you agree with me, Monica?
Yes, sir.
With values, whatever common property is there, repetition is there that we can mention in with. Here we are not mentioning. See, this is how much length observe. If and dot values dot my app dot retail dot enable feature. This overall thing represents what, ma? True. Are you agree with me? And we are checking. Hey, is it equal to this is whatever it is there in the values dot myapp dot env? Please respond according to our values dot yml. Prod only. Prod equals to prod true, right? True. And true is what? True. We may get 6. Is it okay for you at least?
Yes, sir.
This length we reduced based on 18th chapter. In maybe this is the 13th or 14th chapter, we are taking as it is lengthy processor, but output is same. But process is little bit lengthy. This is the standard processor. There we are reducing the coding, simplifying. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now escape shift colon X. Shall I move on to I think 15th? CD dot dot 15. See, there in previous example and we used. Now in this example we are going to work with or condition. Maybe I'm opening Excel. You only tell me how much you know. I want to understand. Yoski or Excel. See, I think it is visible Excel sheet. See,
Yes.
here is true TRUE, true TRUE, true. Here is again true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Now I'm using this is insert one for assume this is capital A. This is capital A. This is capital B. A and B. Maybe I'm giving for your clarity. This is A or B. Please, Monica, tell me answers.
True, sir.
Yes, true. Good.
False.
False. Next,
False.
false.
False. Ah,
Spelling correct only, right?
yes.
F-A-L-S. Next,
False.
false. Others, is there any difficulty for this? Next,
True.
good,
True.
good,
True.
good,
False.
false. See, very simple. Anyone is true in our condition. Anyone is false in uncondition. At least everybody understood. Anyone is false, false only. Even in my area, some maybe funny examples also there. I am not giving because of everybody said answers right. Okay, good, leave it. Now, same procedure I'm following. Now we are going to apply our conditions. We are going to apply our condition. What happens? You may see. Then first I am opening CD basics, right? Helm basics here also. Their tree I am giving their first VI values dot YML. Now see now. My app, what does it mean? Dot values, dot my app, dot env. Those things you need to remember. Yet there is no dot values. Why you are taking dot values, Monica, again and again in our template code? This code belongs to dot values file. At least everybody understanding. Something we written
Yes.
here, this code, something we written, this code belongs to which file? Dot values file. Something we written in chart.yml. At that time, which one we may take? Dot chart dot. Are you understanding or not? I want to know Kubernetes version. I want to know Kubernetes version. At that time, what is the basic element, ma? I think little bit complex. Dot capabilities. Dot capabilities. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now here observe dot values, dot my app, dot env, dot en. Here there is no true and false. We'll check it. Now escape, shift colon X. Now what to do? CD templates. Now VI deployment dot ym. Now see here. If ORR, what they are taking? Equals values dot my app dot env. What they written there? In our scenario, already prod, right? What they are taking equals to dot values dot myapp dot env uat. Uat means user acceptance test. User either this or that 6 replicas one. Is it okay for you? Shall we apply both first? Escape, shift colon X. If I default one, check it ma. Now what is that? Help template dot check it. Are you getting 6 right? Even though our environment is production, we may get 6. Even for UAT also, we may get 6 only. I am asking you how to change CD, I think VI values.yml. There in place of production, insert, I am replacing with which one? UAT. UAT, user acceptance testing. User accept. Shift colon X. Now what to do? Up arrow, up arrow. See, again am I getting 6 or not? Now you ask me based on this, I may explain. Now I am opening shift colon, not CD templates. Otherwise, I may ask you at least respond. There VI deploy. Now I want, okay, already 6 is there, next to 2. When shall I get to other than prod, other than UAT? Simply, which one? QA. If I give dev, what I may get? Please respond. If I give dev, assume.
1.
1. If I give QA to either prod or UAT, 6. Anvesh, got it?
Yes, sir.
Guna, is it understandable or not, Guna? If I mention prod production, they mention how many replicas? 6. If I mention UAT also
Understood,
6.
Guru.
Good. Escape. Shift colon X. Now CD 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 60. Now we go for dir CD helm, their tree. Now check it. Again I go for VI value start wire. Now again my app env PR word. There if else they are taking, we'll check it. Shift colon X. Now CD templates, their VA deploy. See what they are taking. Here is the observer. What they are taking here? Not. Not means what ma? Opposite. See, true opposite, false. False opposite, true. See, equals, what they are taking? Dot values, dot maya, dot env. In our scenario, what is the environment we written in dot values file? Please respond. Shall I show you once
Prod.
again? Prod. See, actually prod is equal to prod. Are you agree with me? True only, but true and true equals to true, and that means prod equals. But what they given here? Please respond.
Not
Not.
prod.
Already true. Here what we may take? True opposite is false. False means cursor moving to else part or maybe in the true part. Please respond. Now I am asking voice. I may get 1 replica or 6 replica. At least respond. What you understood, I want to know.
6.
Very good. 6 is the right answer. Suppose if I give other than prod in our dot values file, 100% what you may get? 1 only. See, if I give QA equals to prod? No, false. Opposite of false is true. If true, I may get how many replicas? 1. We may check. We may check. First, our intention is how many replicas we may get? 6. Is it right or wrong? We'll check it first. Guide me what to do. Their template, helm, not here, right? CD dot helm template dot. Yeah, exactly 6, right? And now gonna you tell me I want to get 1. CD CD templates. CD templates. Good. Now VI deployment.yml. Gonna according to not here, right? Escape, shift colon. Here also we can change. That is not the right thing. Where we can change cd dot VI. Now, whatever the changes in the sense according to industry standard, where we can change within the dot values file only. Now here, maybe I am writing my name. Assume insert Lakshmi. Is it okay? How many I may get? Escape, shift colon X. What happened? This is insert, escape. Now gonna, what shall I do? Tell me. There help, template, dot. See, one only, right? Replica. Replica one. Is it clear for you? 16th is also clear.
Yes, sir.
CD. I think 17 have I finished or not yet? Not yet. Width. Now you are able to see the width. What is the advantage of it? Only code reduction. Less code. That means repetition we can reduce. Ma, this is taken from Visual Basic. Ma. Maybe 20 years back I studied Visual Basic. Ma. That we are using in help. But you don't have Visual Basic. Your feeling is what? This is very new for me. Now, okay, we are in here. CD help. Yes. Now there VA values.wire. See here pod annotations. They took one property. Try to understand. This is the pod annotations is the base element assumed. It is followed by three different key value pairs: app name, app type, app tag. In the same way, if you don't use with, what is the length of the procedure? See, my apps dot see dot values dot my apps dot data dot config dot app name. Are you agree with me? How much length it is there? Are you understanding or not?
Yes.
What they will do very first time hyphen with my apps dot data dot config. They may write like that. From thereafter, what you may use? Only dot app name, only dot app type, only dot app tag, only dot app name. Is it okay for you? You understood or not? If you don't use with, if you don't use with, you must use hierarchy for every. If I want to access this one, whatever you may use for this one, for this one also you need to use. At least anyone respond. I want to access this without with, what to do? Please respond. What is the hierarchy, man? Dot values dot my apps dot data dot config dot app tp. Anyone can repeat it for this at least? App type. If I want to access app type without with,
Dot values,
good.
dot my apps, dot data, dot config, and dot app type.
Yeah. See, for four properties, is the four properties you need to apply every hierarchy four times. Man, even industry standard is, if code length increases, performance automatically decreases. At least this is the global statement. Or agree with me?
Yes, sir.
See, my weight is assume 40 to 60 kgs in between. I may run at least 1 kilometer. Possibility is there. My weight is 120 kgs. If I able to run, how many meters I may run? Maybe max 50, max 100. In the same way, if code length increases, performance automatically decreases. For that, they are going to reduce the code length they want to reduce. How they are reducing, I'll show you. Shift colon X CD. Please respond. Templates. Their VI deployment. Now see here, they are going to use with. Now, with is the function according to helm. With function, what they're going to do? Dot values, dot what they're writing? Pod annotations. Within the pod annotations, they're going to take which one, ma? 2ml. I hope somewhere I used it. Anyone respond? What is the use of 2ml function? If I really you observed my maybe yesterday's class or maybe last 2 days classes, there somewhere I use a 2ml function. What is the use? Multiple times I explained 2ml is very important, very powerful. If you want to represent block of code. What is the block of code here? Please respond. What is the block of code? I may show you. Maybe you may have doubt. CD dot dot vi values dot web. See, this is the block of code. This total, these three lines. Is it good, right? See, why can I specify again and again? This is the repetition. I want to specify these three as it is. I want to go for 2 ml, 2 ml. With what is the indentation they are going to take? Please observe what they specified. Shift colon X. These things we are learning here. What is that? CD templates. There VI reply. Now they are going to take which indent, please respond. Monica, what is end indent
And
means?
indent.
N indent
Next line.
means next line. Next line, how many spaces they are going to?
8.
Eight. After eight spaces, we may see that message. That is good. Now release. What it will display? Anyone respond? What it will display? Please respond. This one also I mentioned 2 to 3 times. I mentioned service, wherever service is there within the helm. What is the output? Helm only.
Helm.
Helm. Good. Now here, one little thing you need to understand. If you want to work with helm objects now, this is helm object release. Are you agree with me? Release is the helm object.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
anyone tell me all the 6 objects name? Any one person? All the name 6. At least, who will remember? At least I may check. You may try at least 4 or 5. I am not
Release.
expect. Yeah, good. Release.
Values.
Values, good.
File.
File, good. Template.
Capabilities. Template. Yes, sir.
Capabilities. What is the another one? Chart.
Charts. Yes.
Good. See, I think Guna, this is the release. Now, please understand everybody. If you want to work with any object, helm object, this is the helm object. Even till today, even maybe 1 minute before, assume up to 1 minute before, you may able to see dot only. Or agree with me? Wherever you go, dot release, dot chart, dot template, dot capabilities, dot file. Or agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, here what we are using my extra thing. Please respond. Dollar.
Dollar.
You may ask me, sir, when can we use dollar? If we use with function, if you use with function, within the with, without dollar object, for object there is no value. For object there is no value. See, our chief minister is there. For which state? Our state only. If we try to go to other state, they may care or they may not care. Are you agree with me? In the same way, if within the width area, if we try to use any object, what it will tell? Hey, without dollar, I never care you. If you use with the dollar only, I can recognize you are the object. Is it rememberable or not? Please respond. Otherwise, it won't work. Everybody understood or not? Within
Yes,
the
sir.
if area, if you want to work with any object, which is mandate, dollar.
Dollar.
With the if even you may try to remove dollar. If you try to work with, it will display as it is. It won't display output. Even see here also, chart dot name. Chart is also object, right? Yes or no? Before chart also, what it is there? Dot before dollar is mandate. Is it clear for you? One more thing. I think they didn't use that one. That here in this they didn't use. Only this area they used. Good. Dot to M. Now escape, shift colon. First I'll create a template. You may understand. There help template dot. Now see, are you getting this one? Where is that? App name, my app name, app tech, app type. Is it okay for you? These three. This is the block. This is the block of code. Is it okay for you? This one?
Yes, sir.
This one for service. Somewhere we use the service, right? This is the chart name. This is the chart name. Helm basics. Everybody understood? Shall I move on to 18th? I think 18th already explained, ma. Anyway, once again we'll see. Dot. Now we go for cd dot dot cd 18. Good. Now cd helm basics. There vi values first. See, this is the hierarchy they are taking. Dot values, dot myapp, dot env, dot values, dot myapp, dot retail, dot enabled. Why should I go for that much of length? I may go with hyphen with. Is it okay for you? If I go with hyphen, with, up to where I can use, maybe up to here I can use. Simply I may use like this. If I use up to this, I may use either this one dot this one. Are you understanding or not? I'll show you, at least you may understand. Shift column. Yes. Now CD templates. Now VI deployment. Now check it here. Up to where the user ma hyphen with dot values dot my app. Up to my app they use. After that, simply what they are using here. See, generally dot values dot my app dot retail dot enable feature. Is it okay for you? I am not using again and again. Only here I specified. This is the reusable. Dot values dot my app. I don't want to use again and again. That's all. Is it simple or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Good. Escape. Shift to codes. Now simply moving to today we may complete at least 20 ma. Now cd dot dot helm dev variables. How to see till now we are using functions. Till now we are using conditions. Till now you don't know how to declare a variable. Declare a variable. First I make you little example. I am not using this environment. Even I may go for back. cd dot assume I am in the our area CLA. CLE clear. Now see I want to use three variables. One name variable. Please observe name is equal to maybe welcome. Now please respond. Anyone respond? This is one variable. I want to display I want to display this name welcome. I want to display on the screen welcome output. This is the variable name is what? Name. How can I display? Echo. Echo. You know, echo. Suppose unfortunately people may write like this. Sir, okay, echo name. What it will display? Name only. But what I want to get, please respond. What is my intention? What name
Hello.
contain? What name contain? Welcome. Name is the placeholder. It holding welcome. Anyone respond what to do?
Dollar.
Yeah, good. Dollar. That's all. Everyone understanding, right? Every variable is preceded with the dollar. You may get that actual value. Sometimes, I don't know, industry people are using like this. Anyone respond? Why? I don't know. Anyone maybe having little knowledge regarding this? Even though if I use this one also, again welcome only. But some people may ask me, what is the difference between these two? For 1 minute, assume I don't know. Anyone can respond. What is the advantage of first one? What is the advantage of second one? Or what is the advantage of both? Anybody? If you don't know, I'll explain. If you know it, at least respond.
Don't know, sir.
Good. Now see, sometimes you may go like this one. Maybe my name is maybe Lakshmi is a goodbye or welcome to DevOps. I want to get like this. See, man. See echo welcome to. This is the my intention. Am I getting output right? Maybe some people what they may feel name is the variable dollar name. After dollar name, two is there, right? Our feeling is what up to dollar name is name only. But if we see like this, are you able to get the output? Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
When can I get output? If I give space, some situations in coding, in some areas in programming, whether they know or they don't know, if you feel it is a variable, the best practice is what? The best practice is what? Now I am giving the clue. The best practice is the best practice is a variable substitution. What is the variable substitution? Now respond
Curly braces.
using the curly brace. Is it okay for you? The best practice, whether they are giving space or not space, you won't get any error. If you give space without curly braces also, it will work, whether it is there or not. That's what I am telling. Is it okay for you? Is the variable substitution. In the same way, what is the meaning of this according to shell script? Anyone responds? When should I use this one? Open brace, closing brace. Quick response.
Number of
What
So
I
this
think Anvesh?
shall script code. Yeah.
In shell script, I am expecting.
So comments.
Yeah, command substitution. Substitution. See, I may use little bit, you may understand. See, today date is, what is the today date quick response? 19,
7.
7, 25. I want to see like this output. Anyone can guide me? See, this is the output I want to get by using your echo statement, by using something. Final output I want to see like this. If I press enter, I may get an error. Who are you? It will say. But output I want to see by using your statements. Anyone can guide me what to do? Maybe for your clarity, I may give little clues. Okay, Yoko, you may think like this. Yoko, sir, today, date, enter. Up to this good, right? But you may ask me, sir, apply date command. You may get date. But actually, what is my intention? Today, date only, right? Date plus double quotation, percentile, capital D, only date I may get. At least see. 7, 8, 25. Now, anyone can combine these two. Anyone can combine these two and guide me what to do. One echo statement, one date function. Both if you combine, you may get what is the output ma? Today date is, then 7, 18, 25 you may get. My system is taking 18 only. Today 18 only. I may be 18 date.
Yes, sir. 8.
Good. Now guide me. Now both combine my anyone. Try to tell me. If you are wrong, 100% I'll give right. I'll write right one only. I never write wrong thing. I'm expecting your sense. Everything in front of you is there. What shall I do? Kuna, you try it. Already you are employee, right? Maybe you know a little bit scripting.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Okay, you try it. Echo. Today, date. If you want it, colon. Now see here. See, very simple thing. Open brace. Date function. Try to understand. I am giving very little clues. Plus, what is the thing I written there? Double quotation, percentile, capital D. This one you know, right? Now, if it is substitution, will happens with the help of who? Dollar. In variable also I
Sir,
use a dollar, right? Variable
sir, I
also I
think,
use. Yeah, please.
sir, I think it is a today date echo dollar date plus I think the percentile F, sir. I think.
Percentile if you are telling. Okay. First check this. Goda. Today date. Is it okay for you? See, I combined both. Are you understanding or not? Everybody, please observe and tell me what I did. Echo with today date, then date function I use. But if you combine both, what is the additional thing you need to use? The substitution happens with the help of dollar. Again, I am giving clarity. This is for what? This is for what? If you know this, you are happily know at least 30% scripting one. This is for what? Variables.
Variable substitution.
Good. For variable also you need to give dollar. Are you agree with me? Yes or no? This is for commands. Commands. For commands also you need to give which one? Dollar.
Dollar.
Maybe at least tomorrow morning we may see these things only. But we are going with maybe real-time basis. Some functions already provided for you. Some comments. Those 50 we will discuss. A1 you go with the chart GPT wherever you go, max 10 programs only. They may repeatedly they may ask anyone interview. See, they may ask, do you know shell script? If you say yes, in which area you used, what type of activities you did, you may tell 3 to 4 activities. They feel very happy. Until now, clear? Now we're going to helm variables. We're going for helm variables. Good. And now tell me, CD, helm, the helm only, right? Yeah, good. CD, 19th or 18th? Please respond. I think 19th.
19.
Yeah, very good. CD, yes, good. Pre VA value start value. For every chart, what I am telling you, you must check values.yml only. This is the first criteria, primary criteria. Good. Now check it here. Replica account, SEMA, release name. There they're taking. This one already we have seen. This one already we have seen. Resources limits. This one which purpose? By using 2YAML file, 2YAML function they are going to work with. Their image, environment, and this one. Here nothing is there. There is no special things here. This is common. Escape, shift colon X. Now I may go with the CD templates. Now I'm having doubt on notes. Now VA notes. Good. Nothing is there. No problem. Shift colon X. VA deployment, right? Yes. Now in deployment, now this first line observe. This is the variable name. See some name. Before what it is there, ma? Dollar. According to Helm chart, for any name before dollar is there, that represents variable name. Colon is equal to. This is the thing they got from, even how many of you know the word Pascal language? Have you heard at least in your lifetime? Pascal is the one of the programming language, ma. Even I studied 20 years back. Pascal. It came from Pascal. Even if you know, how many of you know at least PLSQL? The word at least, have you worked with PLSQL anyone? PLSQL. Procedural language for structure query language. There also, this is the equal to operator. Assignment operator. This is also assignment. Here also assignment operator. Helm people, they got from maybe PLSQL or maybe Pascal language. See, total Helm, this chart name having, please respond, chart.name. According to our scenario, what is our chart.name? Maybe Helm basics. What it will do? Which quote, single quote or double quote, quick response? It will, that chart name should contain which quotations? I hope yesterday we discussed it.
Double quote.
Yeah, good, double quotation. Even the chart name should appear in which case? Uppercase. Is it okay for you? It removes leading white spaces. It removes trailing white spaces. Is it okay for you? Any difficulty here? Remaining things are very common. There is nothing special here. What they are taking here? 2YAML. N indent 8. What they are going to display? They are going to display something. What they are going to display? With the dot, with the values dot, pod annotations. There were written pod annotations, right? 3 lines of code. Here they may mention these 3 lines of code. Anyone facing any difficulty here? Quick response.
No, sir.
Good. Now, where they are displaying, please observe somewhere chart name. Where they are displaying chart name direct here, observe here. Please, chart name. Ah, they are simplifying. They are simplifying. Assume if this code is having 1,000 lines. In 1,000 lines, 10 areas, they need this code. Assume they need this code. When I am talking to you only, I need to write these many things, right? In 10 areas. See, 1, 2, 3, three different words assume. 3 into 10, 30 times, right? Here, see, 10 times 10 areas I want to use. Only which one I may use? This one only. Code is reduced, code is increased. Please respond. Are you understanding or not? మన ప్రోగ్రామింగ్లో 10 చోట్లలో నాకేం కావాలి? ఈ లైన్ కావాలి. 10 చోట్లలో దీన్ని కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తే టోటల్గా ఎన్ని వర్డ్స్ అవుతాయి అక్కడ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. అట్లీస్ట్ 5 డిఫరెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. అదే ఓవరాల్గా
Yes,
మొత్తాన్ని
sir.
ఎవరికి అసైన్ చేశాను? చార్ట్ నేమ్కి అసైన్ చేసేసాను. దీన్ని 10 టైమ్స్ వాడితే 10 టైమ్స్ చార్ట్ నేమ్ అని ఉంటుంది, కానీ 10 టైమ్స్ ఇదంతా వస్తుందండి. ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్ వచ్చి ఇందులో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. ఆ రిజల్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ నేను? ఐఎమ్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్. Am I reducing the code? Am I increasing the code?
Reducing the
Reducing.
code, sir.
సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే సింప్లిఫైయింగ్. సింప్లిఫై. కాంప్లెక్స్ చేయట్లేదు నేను, సింప్లిఫై చేస్తున్నా. కాంప్లెక్స్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? కాపీ పేస్ట్, కాపీ పేస్ట్, కాపీ పేస్ట్. There somewhere I need upper case, somewhere I need lower case, somewhere I need mixed case, somewhere single quote. At that time not use. దాని ఏమంటామంటే కామన్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు యూటిలైజ్ ఇన్ మల్టిపుల్ ఏరియాస్. అట్ ద టైమ్ యూ మే గో ఫర్ దిస్ ద వేరియబుల్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు హెల్మ్ చార్ట్. Escape, shift colon X. Now see, I want to test it. How can I test it? Helm, please respond. Template dot, that's all. See, are you able to see? Somewhere you may see double quotations. Where is the double quotations are you getting? See, man, this thing we got it. Helm basics with the double quotations with uppercase. Is it okay for you? This code belongs to which code, ma? Anyone respond? This code belongs to 2YAML function code. 2YAML function code with any indent. With any indent. Good. Escape, shift colon X. I am in here only, right? Now cd dot dot, cd dot dot. The last one, ma? cd20. Now helm dev range list. You know, in Python also range is there. Have you heard in Python range? Please respond, anyone. Have you worked with range at least? Anyone? Have you seen range function in Python?
Yes, sir.
Python, yeah. Now I am asking to you, maybe I am opening, maybe Python is there or not, I don't know. I think may not be there. Okay, leave it. Otherwise it may take time. Okay, good to go. CD and basics. Now tree, good. Now I am going to open first values.vi values. See, why they go with the range. See, here 3 elements are there, here 4 elements are there, somewhere 40 elements may be there. Shall I mention? Maybe these 3, these 4, these 40, maybe 400 is there. What I am telling, hey, up to whatever it is there, take one by one, by using range. Escape, shift colon X, cd, templates. Now vi, I may go with the namespace.yml first one. Namespace dot ym. Now check it. There they are using range, right? Hyphen range. Hyphen if you have seen. Hyphen with you have seen. Are you agree with me? Now hyphen range. See, values dot namespaces. Values dot namespaces. What are the namespaces names? Maybe dev, maybe prod, maybe UAT, maybe some other. Got it or not? Production. See, up to whatever the namespaces are there, again I am showing you. What will you do? Dot name. What does it mean? Dot values, dot namespaces, dot name. Name first name, maybe development. What is the second name? Production. What is the third name? Maybe some other. See this hyphen, see here, observe hyphen, hyphen, hyphen. It may create, suppose 4 namespaces are there, 4 times it will create a file. I'll show you quickly. Escape, shift colon X. You may see there cd dot dot helm template dot. You may see. Are you able to see the namespaces? One namespace belongs to kind is namespace. What is the namespace name here? My app. Another one is my app 3. My app 1. How many namespaces they are going to create? 3 different namespaces. Now again I am going to show you once again. cd dot dot va values dot va. I think cd helm basics there va values. Now at least observe the namespaces. What are the namespace names here? My app 1, my app 2, my app 3. Is it okay for you? I'm adding one more I'm adding one more automatic. It will take dynamically. It will take insert there hyphen name colon maybe ABC escape shift colon X. The range power I am telling. Now help template. Now see, am I getting one more namespace name? What is that? ABC. If you run this, if you create a template there, see, if you run this, how many namespaces it will create? My app 1 namespace, my app 2 namespace, my app 3 namespace, and ABC namespace also. You want to see those output? You want to see it, ma? I may just move on to one file. I may run it. These many namespaces you may able to see. The overall scenario. It simplifies the development, deployment. Very easy to deploy our manifest files by using help. Till now clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Try to follow up to 20. I think overall how many files are there? cd dot dot. Now even cd dot dot ls hyphen ltr. Now check it. Total how many ma? I think 44 is there. Now
47.
44, 47. Okay. Maybe within 4 or 5 days. Maybe today we completed nearly how many? From 14 to I hope 20, right? Or
7, sir.
7. Good. Maybe tomorrow, maybe 4 to 5. If I come to dependency, it may take time. For one day, one only I will explain because of little bit complexity is there. So many internal things are there. If you understand properly, remaining are very simple. Okay. Anyway, if you practice, then only it may become simple. Thank you. We'll discuss tomorrow morning. We may work with which one? What is that Linux commands? Okay. Thank you. Everyone practice it. If difficulty is there, post it on our. Thank you. Stop recording.
Thank you, sir.
Recording. Good.